Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel, where we delve into the incredible science behind staying youthful and energetic as we age. Today, we're exploring some remarkable substances: NAD+, NMN, NR, Metformin, and resveratrol. These aren't just acronyms, they are critical players in longevity, each offering a unique glimpse into how we might live longer and better. We'll break these down into simple terms to understand how they help maintain our vitality. So, if you've ever wondered about the secret ingredients to a longer life or how to keep your body's cells thriving, you've come to the right place.
Let's kick things off with NAD+, which stands for Nicotinamide Adenine Dinucleotide. This vital molecule is like the gold coins of a video game, powering up our cells to keep them healthy and energetic. As we age, our NAD+ levels naturally decrease, which can lead to less energy and faster aging. To help our bodies maintain good levels of this precious resource, substances like NMN, nicotinamide, mononucleotide, and NR, nicotinamide, riboside, come into play. Think of them as power-ups that boost our NAD+ levels, helping our cells repair themselves and keep functioning optimally. By taking NMN or NR supplements, we give our bodies the raw materials needed to produce more NAD+, keeping our cellular engines running smoothly and delaying the aging process. NMN is another form of vitamin B3, and it's critical for boosting NAD+, a vital cellular resource that decreases with age. By increasing NAD+ levels, NMN supports energy production, enhances DNA repair, and improves mitochondrial health. Let's not forget NR, a powerhouse in the world of longevity. As a form of vitamin B3, NR plays a pivotal role in boosting levels of NAD+, a crucial molecule for energy production and cellular health. With age, our NAD+ levels decline, which can lead to cellular dysfunction. Another powerful tool in our anti-aging arsenal is Metformin, a medication traditionally used for managing diabetes, but now recognized for its potential in extending healthy lifespan. Metformin acts like a skilled city planner, ensuring that glucose, our main fuel, is used efficiently, reducing traffic jams in our cells that can lead to premature aging. Metformin helps our body use insulin more effectively, helping to manage blood sugar levels and possibly mimicking the benefits of calorie restriction, a well-known strategy that extends lifespan in various species. Now let's spotlight resveratrol, a natural compound famously found in red wine, grapes, and berries. Resveratrol is celebrated not just for its role in heart health, but also for its remarkable anti-aging properties. It works by activating sirtuins, proteins that play a key role in cellular health and longevity. These proteins help protect our DNA and delay aging by enhancing the body's ability to repair itself. This potent antioxidant keeps our cells youthful, reduces inflammation, and has been linked to better heart health and possibly even a longer lifespan. So, a toast to resveratrol, helping us age a bit more gracefully, one glass at a time.
There you have it, a primer on some of the most compelling molecules in the quest for longevity. NAD+ keeps your cellular engines running. NMN and NR help keep the NAD+ tank full, ensuring our cells have the energy they need to thrive. Metformin optimizes energy usage, ensuring every bit of fuel is used efficiently to maintain our health. Let's not forget resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant found in red wine and berries that activates sirtuins, proteins that protect our cells and help extend their lifespan. Together, these molecules represent some of the most exciting advances in our understanding of health and aging, each playing a unique role in helping us live longer, healthier lives.
Thank you for tuning into our exploration of these life-enhancing molecules. If you found this information intriguing and want to learn more about optimizing your health for a long and vibrant life, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Drop your questions or topics you're curious about in the comments. We love to engage and share more fascinating insights.